Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I just want to go straight to today's tutorial where I want to show you how I achieve this lace frontal wig using a braiding hair extension. So if you are new to my channel, please, you're highly welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe. And my old subscribers, thank you for tuning in once again. So here I'm trying to map out where I want the frontal to end, and as well map out where I want the center to be. Actually did this on my head before putting it on the mannequin head, but you can go ahead and do it on the mannequin head without placing it on your head. The choice is yours. So after that, I measured the thickness of this tape to create a line from the front of the cap all the way down to the back of the cap. You can actually make your own wider, but I choose to use the size of this tape so that I will have smaller space to ventilate. So the purpose of this video is just to show you that you can actually achieve a full lace frontal wig without buying those expensive ones in the market. So this tutorial will encourage you to have one if you can have the patience to make something like this. By following this tutorial, you're gonna achieve a look-alike full lace frontal wig. So now I went ahead to place the lace on the wig cap in order to trace out the lines I've created where I will be ventilating. So you can see after sewing it down, you can see the small portions I'm gonna ventilate, and that will make work pretty easier for me. Now you can use any method of your choice to sew down the net on the wig cap. After that, just carefully cut out the cap beneath the net, just as I'm doing here. Everything I'll be using for this tutorial, I'll put them in the description box below. So this is the braiding hair I used to achieve this lace frontal wig. The color is color 2. I bought this hair on AliExpress, but you can as well use any braiding hair of yours. And this hair is pre-stretched hair. It has already been stretched. I just use a comb to comb out the tips, and this is why it's looking like this. I did not cut the hair. I used the whole length, and the length is about 24 inches. So now you start doing the crochet by passing your crochet hook through the cap, and then you put smaller amounts of the hair onto the hook. You close it, put the hook through, then through the loop, pass the hair through the loop twice, and then pull it to form the knot. This is basically how to do the crochet, and this is what I'll be doing all through the cap. This is just the basic of the crochet you are going to see. So now let me allow you to watch and see basically what I am doing. And please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please, what are you waiting for? Just click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell so that you always get notified anytime I make a new upload. Thank you for doing that.
So deep, feel my skin on top of yours. Can we begin? You're in so deep, you too much. Loving me is a little rough. I want you to love me. I want you to hurt me. I want you to save me.
So now I have finished crocheting the wig cap using the braiding hair. So it's now left with the part to ventilate, as you can see both at the front and at the back of the wig cap. So you can see the small portion I'm going to ventilate, so I don't actually have much work to do. Here I've actually started ventilating the line I created from the front all the way down to the back of the wig cap. You can see how seamless it looks, so keep watching in order to see how I do the ventilating. You pass the hook through a hole or two. Grab a very small piece amount of hair, pass it through the hole, then use the hook to take the other end of the hair, pass it through the loop, and then pull it through to form the knot. This is basically how to ventilate. But remember, when you are getting towards the center of the hair, I mean the middle part, make sure you are grabbing just one maximum of 3 pieces of hair, and this will make that part to look more natural. But since you want to really hide this place, you can see the thread, make sure you are grabbing more than 3 pieces of hair in order to have a seamless look. And also I would like to remind you that I have done so many videos on how to ventilate, so don't forget to check them out, and I'll put the link in the description box below. So at the front also, you use the same technique to hide the thread and also to have a seamless look. So now at the really front part of the wig, as you can see, I'm grabbing just 1 or 2 pieces of hair. If you are taking more than that, it will make the frontal knot to look natural. Now I'm done with ventilating the wig. You can see how the back is looking so seamless, so natural. And don't forget to put hair within the middle of the part, as in you have to randomly put hair along the part. That will enable it to look more natural. Watch my previous video also to see how I did that, and it will really make the hair to look so natural. So look at the end result of the ventilating I did at the front. You can see how it's looking, just so real. I'm so proud of myself. Yeah, I'm so proud of myself because it did not take me so much time to achieve this. Now it is time to treat the hair, but before you go into this step, you have to really detangle the hair. So now I'm pouring in hot water, very boiled hot water. I added hair conditioner in it and my hair oil in order to make the hair very shiny. Then I dip the hair inside the hot water, and I'm trying to make sure that it is well mixed, and I let it to sit for like 10 to 15 minutes because I later realized that the texture of this particular braiding hair is so strong, so I let it to sit for some time. Then after that, I went ahead to stretch the hair using a flat iron in order to get the kind of look and texture I want, because the hair is actually very strong, very stiff. Well, at the end of the day, I so much love the texture I arrived with, because it really looks like yucky straight hair. So you can see the way it's so flat, so smooth and shiny, looking so real. I'm so proud of myself for achieving this kind of lace frontal wig. So this is a brief tutorial that will help you to do the same thing if you want to and if you have the time, you know. And this is the end of the tutorial today, and I will encourage you to keep watching in order to see how I install this hair on my head. It's looking so cool, so natural on my hair. So please, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the notification button in order to get notified anytime I make a new upload. and I will see you on my next one. Bye.
Behind these eyes, secrets lie. Behind your walls, broken doors. A single rose, a thorn will grow. Tell me your fears, they'll stay right here. You're in so deep, feel my skin on top of yours. Can we begin? You're in so deep, shoot too much, loving me is a little rough. I want you to love me, I want you to hurt me, I want you to save me. I want you to love me, I want you to hurt me, I want you to save me. I want you to, I want you to save me.
Dive in. You might never see the bottom, but the mystery is awesome. Don't let me be forgotten. A single rose, a thorn will grow. Tell me your fears, they stay right here. You're in so deep, you feel my skin on top of yours. Can we begin? You're in so deep, you see too much, loving me is a little rough.
I want you to love me, I want you to hurt me, I want you to save me. I want you to love me, I want you to hurt me, I want you to save me. Tell me your fears, they'll stay right here. You're in so deep, feel my skin on top of yours. Can we begin? You're in so deep, shoot too much, loving me is a little